Bioluminescence is the natural ability of living organisms to produce light through chemical reactions within their bodies. This fascinating phenomenon is most commonly seen in fireflies, in case of insects. Fireflies, also known as lightning bugs, are a type of beetle famous for their enchanting glow. Not all fireflies can glow. Fireflies glow because of different purposes, such as for mating, defense, prey luring, etc. These are natural pest controllers, as their larvae feed on slugs, snails, and other pests.